Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is the old wig that I had in my closet. I just thought I would like revive it a little bit, bring it back to life. So this is how it looks. I made it with a lace closure. I think it's like two bundles in a lace closure. It's already cut to the way that I like it. It's just been old. So I'm going to start off by using my titanium flat iron. And the probably like the first three rows, I'm just gonna flat iron them straight down just to give it a little bump on the ends. And then the next row, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start curling it. I want to do like a messy bob type look, messy curl. So I'm just gonna slightly turn the flat iron, pull straight down so that the ends will still be straight. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do this on each section. The flat iron that I have, it's on 450. There is a video, I think it's a video when I made this wig. I'm going to look and see. If so, I will post it below so that you guys can see it. Alright, so once I'm on the sides, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to bump it, the layers underneath. I'm just going to bump that. And then after that, I'm going to start adding messy curls to them. Now, I'm doing the curls different ways. Like some are going toward the front, some are going toward the back. And that just helps with the messy look. Now, I decided to bump at least the first 2 to 3 rows underneath because I don't want it to, how can I explain it? I don't know. Sometimes just when you don't bump the underneath, I don't like the way that looks. It looks kind of tacky. I know this is a messy bob, but no, I want it to be a cute messy bob. So I think it's cuter when you go ahead and bump the underneath and then throw the messy curls on top. Now, when I cut this bob, this is a blunt cut bob, so yeah, you'll notice that. So I did go ahead and do one side longer than the other when I cut it because I wanted it to kind of be like a what they call. I can't think of the type of bob it is, but you know where one side's longer than the other. So this is my longest side. And same thing, it's still a blunt cut even though one side is longer than the other. I'm just going to continue to add the curls in it and everything. I really forgot how cute this bob was. I really forgot I had this bob, period, but I'm going through all my old wigs and revamping them. So I'll be back on here doing some more wigs so that you guys can see how they turn out and how I revamp them. All of the wigs, I curled them first. I'm sorry, I washed them and conditioned them first, and then I just come on here and style them. So this is how it looks once I'm done. I'm just going to comb out the curls. And voila, this is how it looks once I have it on, sis. See, the bumping underneath made it look really nice. I really like that. I love this bob. Forgot how cute it was. I hope you guys like this bob and enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And go ahead and hit that notification bell.